Well, it's been amazing to see what they have done, and it's been incredible to see this future vision that we have created together, as a community. Trailblazers, customers, Salesforce, this is a new world. So we want to take a look at that vision. What could that future be? How do we create even more success? And we've learned from Jeff something awesome, and now I've asked Taksina to show us that vision. Taksina, can you show it to us?
Thanks, Mark. Across the world, sales teams are rapidly adjusting to the challenges of selling from home. These teams need a new way to deliver sales growth for their companies. Honeywell's field sales reps, including Nico back there, went from meeting with customers in person and selling on-site like this to selling remotely from his home in the blink of an eye. That's exactly why Salesforce developed Sales Cloud, the #1 growth platform for digital sales. Now, when Nico goes to work from the comfort of his home, he starts his day here in high-velocity sales, where Einstein and productivity tools make selling simple. Einstein identifies leads for Honeywell Forge, their new software-as-a-service offering, and prioritizes them in Nico's work queue, so he knows exactly where to start. As Nico powers through his list of leads, thanks to email templates with built-in personalization, they are automatically moved to the next step in the sales cadence. Now, Nico can quickly pivot to the next part of his day, meetings. Salesforce Meetings brings video conferencing inside the world's #1 sales CRM, enabling sales reps to prepare for more impactful calls, engage more effectively, and close the loop faster than ever before. Here, Nico sees who will be attending the meeting and gets some ideas for breaking the ice. When he's done preparing, he can join the meeting without leaving Salesforce. And after the call is over, Einstein analyzes the recording and identifies next steps to keep this deal moving. This prompts the rep to create the quote right from the meeting summary. This deal includes both hardware products and software subscription licenses, which used to require creating multiple quotes from multiple systems. But now, thanks to Revenue Cloud, all revenue types are on one single quote. This means easier approvals and more streamlined negotiations. Nico's opportunity automatically updates to the next stage. With sales cadences now embedded in opportunities, best practices guide the rep through the full deal cycle, taking them on the fastest track to close. Nice work, Nico. Now let's take a look at how Sales Cloud is empowering sales managers to develop highly productive teams in this new normal. Wanda had time at lunch to squeeze in a quick jog. Or so she thought.
There is no way I can prepare in time.
Is what she would have said if Salesforce Pipeline Inspection wasn't at her fingertips. With one glance, Pipeline Inspection gets her up to speed on the latest updates to her team's opportunities, like an increase in amount or a change in close dates. This is incredibly helpful. And you know what would be a game changer? If she could also spot which deals are likely to close by a quarter end. Let's make this a reality and add Einstein's opportunity scoring. Setting it up is simple. It only takes 10 seconds. Don't believe me? Start the timer. We head to Setup and bring up the Readiness Assessor to check if we have enough data to build a custom scoring model. If not, no worries. Einstein will score opportunities using anonymized aggregate data until we have enough of our own. See? It's really that simple. Salesforce simple. The sales manager can now use Einstein opportunity scoring to decide which deals to invest in, like this one. It's in the late stages, but doesn't have a very high likelihood of closing. So, with some coaching, she might unblock and win this deal before the quarter ends. The manager clicks into the recent call recording to find coaching opportunities.
Yeah, I listened to the entire meeting recording.
Said no one ever. How many insights are lost because no one has time to listen to an entire meeting recording? Not anymore. With Conversation Insights, Einstein analyzes call recordings and pulls out keywords. Managers can quickly navigate to potential coaching moments and leave contextual feedback. While the rep did do a good job recognizing cross-sell opportunities, he could have handled the customer's price objections more smoothly. Now she knows what topics to coach him on in their next one-on-one to get this deal and future deals across the line, and to get back to her run. And not only can we get insights on individual sales teams, we can see Honeywell's overall sales performance. With Tableau CRM, Einstein makes it simpler for sales leaders to see their white space and key insights, like which product bundles will give them a higher win rate. Thanks, Einstein! Honeywell quickly puts that insight into action with all 7,000 sales reps selling the new product bundle. I mean, look at all this selling. Whether it's in your kitchen, bedroom, cafe, or makeshift office, Salesforce lets you sell from anywhere. Back to you, Mark.
Well, that was amazing. So thank you for that incredible demonstration of the technology. And it gives us a huge vision of what's possible. And, you know, it's never been a more important year to be able to sell from anywhere, the ability to talk to anyone, go at any level of the organization, and we're doing it all from home.